Hello, friends and strangers. It's Nick, the Rat King here, along with my little brother, JJ. Oh yeah, this will be great. This is a terrible idea. It's pretty rainy up here. We're in Skycomish at the Cafe Cascadia. Just waiting for our food. Pretty awesome. We could have eaten inside, but I don't know. I think it's very atmospheric out here with all the lovely rain. Anyways, me and my little bro.
Hello.
We're going up to find some snow for him to throw snowballs at me.
Hopefully in the eyes.
Oh, in the eyes. He wants to throw snowballs in my eyes. I'm not so sure it's a good idea anymore. Also, my brother is crazy. He refuses to wear shoes or boots or whatever, and we're gonna be going up to the snow. I could hardly get him to wear pants instead of shorts, but this man, he's wearing Crocs. You see this? He thinks it's funny. This dude's crazy, man. Just wearing Crocs. But we do have matching jackets though. Although mine's a little dirtier than his because I wear it while I weld and stuff.
That's because we don't like to get gross all the time.
All bikers are nasty.
Because we have gross eyes.
Gross eyes?
And those gross eyes are gonna be wet eyes.
Wet
Once
eyes?
I get you in the eyes with a snowball.
Again, with the snowballs in the eyes, man. No, stop. No, stop. No. All right, we just got our food here. JJ's got his grilled cheese and fries there. Yo, JJ, go try one and tell me how it is. Delicious! All right, the food has been acquired and some of it has already been consumed, and now we're gonna go head up to the snow and go play around up there. Does that sound good, Jay?
Yeah, and fight your eyes to death.
He goes for the eyes. All right then. Well, let's start getting going up there, and we'll talk to you guys in a bit. Stevens Pass, 16 miles. JJ, can you give me a yeehaw?
Yeah!
Yeah! Something like that. You ever raced the train, Jay?
Nope.
Would you win?
No.
Oh. What if you were on a motorcycle?
Maybe.
Oh, definitely. Are you glad you have your snow boots?
Yeah, baby. Wait, let me just test it on my Crocs. I want to test.
No, you should put on your snow
No,
boots.
I'm testing.
No, dude, I don't want your toes to fall off.
My toes won't fall off.
That's what happens if they get too cold.
Says who?
You ever heard of a sourdough cocktail?
No.
Well, in Alaska.
Mhm.
Yo, can I have some of your grilled cheese?
Sure.
Did you eat any of it?
Well, I had a French fry grilled cheese. I was on the grilled cheese.
All right, me and JJ just got up to the pass, but it's like a complete blizzard up here, so I'm actually gonna go back down to a lower elevation because I don't want to get stuck up here with my brother. He would go crazy and throw snowballs in my eye.
I want more snowballs.
Yeah, well, we'll get more
In your
snowballs,
eye.
but I want it to be in a place where it's not so treacherous to drive. Well, it's not too bad right now. That's the point, is that it's really coming down. I don't want to get stuck up here. So we're gonna go back down a little bit, right, Jay?
Yeah, or maybe we could find like a roof or something that we could park on.
Well, no, because see, the road's gonna still get covered. You know what I mean?
Well, yeah.
All right, we survived making it back down the pass, which I wasn't too worried about, really. Oh, that was my brother. What's up, dude?
Hello.
Were you a little scared? Did you think we got stuck?
Yes.
He thought we got stuck, but we did not get stuck.
Because Nick saved the day.
Oh, I saved the day? Oh yeah, dude. I'm the Rat King, man. I don't get stuck. Anywho. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, we went up to there, and it was getting pretty slushy, so I decided to turn back, because it's not too bad this way over there. But yeah, and he threw a couple snowballs at me already, man. It's actually not too cold down here. It was like 32 degrees up there. It's not nearly that cold down here. It's probably like, I'm still under 40, but not below freezing though. Not freezing, you know. Yeah, I'd like to do it again with him when there's not as much snow out, or at least, you know, not as much snow coming down. But anyways, yeah. This is a pretty awesome location though. This highways, or this little road here actually, is incredibly beautiful during the summer. And if you go down a little ways, there's a river running right by it. It's great for motorcycles. And you can actually camp on the side of it. Not right here. This is just a temporary spot because I don't want to be here if someone comes down and say slide around. So, yeah. But anyways, it's a beautiful road. Really awesome place. And I probably have a ton of water drops on my camera lens, so whatever. Whew. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
He's just saying that. He thinks we should have stayed up there at the pass. Man, he's hitting me now. I'm just kidding. He probably did have some fun. All right.
I'll go back up there.
No, we're not going back up there.
How dare you?
I don't want to get you hurt.
I will be fine.
That's what you say until you get hurt. Ooh, slipping around a little. It's really not too bad though. Oh, that scary log is really scary. Haha, didn't even touch it. Back still, and I'm glad we didn't stay up there too much longer because we're all the way almost back, and it's actually snowing a little. Well, it's not really snow, it's more like slush, but there's a little bit of ice in the rain is what I'm saying. I'm glad we did not stay up at the pass because I bet it's really coming down up there if it's coming down here. So anyways, yeah, JJ still thinks we should have stayed up there, don't you?
Yes, I do.
That's me, the Rat King, and my little brother JJ growling over there. Signing off. So we'll see you guys later, or at least I will. Maybe he will. You never know. In any case, you guys take care, and I'll see you later.